Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Discord on desktop or browser and sign in. Once done, confirm developer mode only if you'll use App ID later. It's unnecessary for basic activity settings. Make sure you know whether you're changing global activity status or per server permissions. Now click the gear icon, User Settings, in the lower left. This takes you directly into the settings area where activity status lives. Don't pause, move straight to the Activity Settings tab next. Now in User Settings, open Activity Status or Activity Privacy to see connected apps and what's shared. Turn the Display Current Activity toggle on to publish what you're doing or off for privacy. If an app is missing, add it by launching the app then clicking Add It under Registered Games, or use the plus to manually add an executable. Once added, adjust individual app visibility. Make sure to save or confirm changes so the status updates across friends and servers. Finish by checking your profile and friends list to verify the activity displays correctly. If it doesn't appear, restart Discord and ensure the app has permission to report activity in your OS privacy settings. Also, make sure the specific server or role permissions aren't blocking activity display. You can toggle those in server settings, right arrow roles, or member settings. One quick troubleshooting tip. If status stubbornly stays hidden, log out and back in after toggling the setting. This often forces a refresh and resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.